Welcome back. You're watching Mirror Now. Striking a balance between upholding fundamental rights and stopping hate speeches, the Supreme Court has issued a slew of directions to the states of Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh over the upcoming rallies by Hindu groups and the BJP. A two-judge bench refused to stop the processions, saying it cannot preempt that violence will take place. The top court, though, directed the district magistrates in Maharashtra's Yavatmal and Chhattisgarh's Raipur to ensure that no incitement to violence or hate speech takes place in the rallies. Explaining its decision to not act in advance, the Supreme Court added officials have already been ordered to put up CCTVs at the locations if deemed necessary. The Hindu Jan Jagruti Samiti is all set to hold a Hindu Rashtra event in Yavatmal tomorrow, and BJP leader T. Raja Singh will host an event in Raipur from the 19th till the 25th of January.
No hate speech will be allowed, no incitement to violence will be allowed. This was the Supreme Court's clear message to the authorities while hearing a batch of petitions which had sought a crackdown on hate speech across the country. The petition was filed by one Shaheen Abdullah, who drew the court's attention to two events to be organized by Hindu organizations, one in Yavatmal, Maharashtra tomorrow, and the other from 19th to 25th in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And according to him, a call for boycott of Muslims, violence against Muslims, and vilification of Muslims is going to be made. But Supreme Court said that it cannot restrain the Hindu organizations from holding the events, as it will be a violation of the fundamental right. But in case of any hate speech, the authorities have to ask, in fact, have to act immediately. Supreme Court has issued, has in fact alerted the DGPs of Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh, and also issued notice to the nodal officers of that area and the district magistrate and also the superintendent of police, and said that if required, CCTVs shall be installed at sensitive areas and also especially at the venue of the event to ensure that those who indulge in hate speech, those who indulge in violence can be identified and action can be taken against them later.
The Supreme Court has agreed to hear Uddhav Sena's petition